ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
ABIIDII, kuziere m Igbo.
Welcome once again to our Teach Igbo Language channel. Remember that Igbo language has many dialects, but our problem has been simplified by the creation of Igbo. Igbo means Central Igbo. Bear in mind that there is no place called Central Igbo anywhere in the world. It's simply a compromise dialect used for speaking, especially written Igbo language, for Igbo orthography. Today, I want to introduce two peculiar pronouns, a and e. They are called impersonal pronouns or Nnochiaha. An action has been taken by anybody we need not know. And to avoid confusion in Igbo orthography or in Igbo grammar, we prefer to call Nnochiaha. We prefer to call it Nnochionye, and then call impersonal pronouns a and e Nnochiaha. That is, they replace somebody you don't know. A and e. Asege bia, that is, you are asked to come. Enyere ego, that money was given to you. We don't know who gave the money. Eburu okoko, a chicken was killed. Who killed the chicken? We don't know. Agakogi ihe, you'll be beaten up. Agakogi ihe, who is beating you? We don't know. A and e, they are called Nnochiaha. From what you already know, these 6 Igbo words, mo, gi, ya, anyị, unu, ha, they are personal pronouns or Nnochiaha. They represent somebody we have mentioned and we don't want to continue calling that person. Note here, I have shown in red 3 variants of personal pronouns of the first, second, and third persons singular. These are for first person, me. I is simply am. The second person is e or a. These are variants of ge. Then the third person, ya. The 2 variants are o and o. For example, nyem ego, you don't say nyemu ego. Asege bia, iga bia, igburu ọkụkọ. Igburu ọkụkọ, you don't say gigburu ọkụkọ. Ịchọrọ nsogbu, you are looking for trouble. Ịchọrọ. These variants, e and a, they agree with what we call ndakọrịta ụdaume. When you have the heavy vowels a, e, o, u, it goes with e. When you have the soft or light vowels, you take a, ịchọrọ, igburu, inyere, ịgara, ijere, o nyere ego, ọ chọrọ gị, ọ sị gị bịa, ọ sị. You know, o and si, they agree. What they call ndakọrịta ụdaume. Remember, Nnochionye. Don't bother to call them Nnochiaha, especially those who are studying Igbo language for exam purposes. These are called Nnochionye, while the impersonal pronouns are called Nnochiaha. Ndakọrịta ụdaume simply means consonants or agreement in sentences when soft vowels and heavy vowels are in the same sentence. For example, we are dealing with a Nnochiaha, a and e. When the verb or ngwa that agrees with a, it should be from a verb with a, e, o. And when the Nnochiaha is a, it will come from the family of a, e, o, u, as the following sentences show. A is nnochi person or impersonal pronoun. In this sentence, the verb or ngwa is say. Asị m bịa, which means I was asked to come. Can you notice that a agrees with a, just like what we say a, o. So a agrees with the soft vowels udumenfe. Here, egburu means a snake was killed. Can you agree that a agrees with u, a and u, they agree with each other. They belong to the same family. A agrees with a, e, o, u. A gburu agwọ. So this is what we call ndakọrịta ụdaume. You will meet this phenomenon quite a lot in Igbo language. Let's go further in aha and the nnochi. Look at these sentences and of course don't forget to write them correctly. Word division must be correct. Papa sị m bịa simply means Papa asked me to come. Papa is the person asking me to come. Here we have ọ sị m bịa. He asked me to come. O and a agree. This is what we call ndakọrịta ụdaume. Asị m bịa is when you are dealing with nnochi person. Asị m bịa, I was asked to come, but we don't know the person who asked me to come. In a similar way, this sentence, Papa gburu agwọ, that is Papa killed a snake. O gburu agwọ. Can you see that the nnochi there, the personal pronoun is o, and the verb or ngwa is gburu. O agrees with u, o gburu agwọ, which is in ụdaume arụ. O gburu agwọ. This is still another example of ndakọrịta ụdaume. Remember, we don't want to call nnochi person o gburu agwọ. Call it nnochi, especially for those of you taking Igbo language as an examination subject in schools. Asụsụ Igbo dịkwa n'ụtọ. Here again, igburu ọkụkọ, which means you killed a chicken or you killed chickens. Igburu ọkụkọ. Can you observe that I, that personal pronoun, that is nnochi, a variant of ge, I agrees with u. You see, ndakọrịta ụdaume once again. But here, ọ chọrọ ịsụ asụsụ Igbo. Ọ chọrọ ịsụ asụsụ Igbo, which is he or she wants to speak Igbo language. Can you observe that ọ agrees with ọ chọrọ, ndakọrịta ụdaume. Ị chọrọ ịsụ asụsụ Igbo. That's the same thing here. I is a soft vowel, udumenfe, and ọ is another soft vowel. So there's agreement. Ndakọrịta ụdaume.